Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas. Over 50 women. Many women want hairstyles that look beautiful but are also easy to manage. Busy schedules, work and daily life make it hard to spend a lot of time styling hair every day. This is where low maintenance haircuts are a great choice. These haircuts are simple, stylish and easy to care for. Let's look at some wonderful low maintenance haircut ideas. The first haircut is the pixie cut. This is a very short hairstyle that is easy to wash and dry. You do not need much time to style it. Just comb your hair and you are ready to go. The pixie cut looks amazing, modern, fresh and confident. The second idea is a classic bob haircut. A bob haircut is usually simple and always in style. The hair falls around the chin or slightly blue. This haircut is easy to manage and looks neat and all day. You can wear it straight, wavy or slightly messy for a natural look. Another great choice is the layered bob haircut. Layers add movement and volume to the hair. This style is perfect for women who want their hair to look fuller without spending much time styling it. It is both practical and stylish. The shoulder length haircut is also very popular. This length is easy to manage and works well for many face shapes. You can tie it in a ponytail, leave it loose or create soft waves. It is a flexible and low effort hairstyle. Next is the short shag haircut. The shag haircut has soft layers that create a natural and relaxed look. The best thing about this haircut is that it does not need perfect styling. Even a slightly messy look can very fashionable. Another simple idea is the long layers haircut. If you like longer hair, long layers are a great option. Layers make the hair lighter and easier to manage. This haircut also adds movement and keeps the hair from looking flat. The wavy shoulder length haircut is also very easy to maintain. Natural waves look beautiful without much effort. You can simply let your hair air dry and enjoy a soft natural style. You can also try a side parted haircut. Changing the hair part can make your hairstyle look fresh and new. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.